Alright guys, today I'm going to be installing the updated heat exchanger pump on my CL55. So here it is. I bought it from FCP Euro, so I always have the returns. So yeah, let's get under the car and I'll show you guys what to do. Alright guys, so I have this here to put all the coolant in. I'm going to be recycling it. When you get under the car, I took my under panel stuff on, but I think there's a little thing right here you can open up, and then you have direct access to the pump right here. This is my old one. I have the car jacked up a little just so it's a little bit easier. So first you're just going to remove this bolt right here. Alright, I'm just loosening this bolt up, and then when I get it loose, I'm gonna disconnect the plug right here. You just fucking just push this and just pull on this. There you go. Then I'm gonna take this hose off right here so I can drain it into this. Alright guys, so I loosened up this hose clamp, took this hose off, and now I'm taking off this top one. As you can see right there, this top one. Alright, we got it off. So this is the new one, this is the old one. We have to take this bracket off, so I'm just gonna try to pry it open because this thing is like old on here. This thing has been here for years. Yeah, this thing's tough. Gotta work with it. See if I can cheat a little. There we go. Got this piece off. Now, gotta figure this one out. Slips on, I guess. See how this goes. Just take it off. Come on. There you go. The old one, the old part number, and then the new one's right there. Yeah. Alright, I put these pieces on the new pump. This is how it should look like. This matches right here, and then this one right here all the way to the end, and same thing for this one. So we're gonna go and we're gonna put it back on the car now. Alright, I'm putting it back now. Oh, fucking crown. Come on. Okay, that should be good enough. Should be good enough. Try to tighten this shit down. Come on. Alright, so we managed to tighten this piece back on. Just checking to make sure it's on good. Yeah, it seems good. So I'm gonna put this one back on. I need the hose clamp though. Where's it at? I think it's somewhere there. So I'm gonna just put this guy right here. Oh my god, this other hose is like fucking far as hell. Come on. Alright. Now you just gotta tighten this guy. Come here, buddy. It's a little bit of a mission. Fuck. This hose clamp is much easier. The other one was like mission impossible. Alright, that's good enough for that one. Alright, I'm putting this bolt back now. It's also a mission, but just like in Mission Impossible, even though it's an impossible mission, they still finished it. So now I'm gonna get my Mercedes AMG wrench. Yeah, I don't think he's going anywhere, and the connector up here, I don't know if you guys can see it, just connect it. And there, now you guys have at least 50 horsepower more. I'm not kidding. Changing these changes the whole car, so I'm gonna go drive it and let you guys know what I think.